Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the best donut makers of 2025, your gateway to homemade sweet treats. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, a delightful snack, or a show-stopping dessert, these donut makers are designed to make baking easy, fun, and delicious. Let's jump right in. Baker's Friend. First on our list is the Baker's Friend Mini Donut Maker Machine, a compact and efficient appliance that allows you to bake 12 mini donuts at once. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, and desserts, this machine takes the hassle out of making homemade treats. Its non-stick surface ensures easy donut removal and simple cleanup, while its quick heating feature means you'll have fresh, golden brown mini donuts ready in just minutes. With a user-friendly design, even beginners can become pro bakers in no time. Whether you're hosting a party, surprising the family, or indulging your sweet tooth, the Baker's Friend Mini Donut Maker is a must-have addition to your kitchen. DSP All-in-One. Next on our list is the DSP All-in-One Mini Donut Maker, a high-capacity appliance that lets you bake 16 mini donuts at a time. With 1,400 watts of power, it ensures quick and even heating, delivering perfectly golden and delicious donuts in minutes. Designed for convenience, the DSP Mini Donut Maker features a non-stick surface, making it easy to remove your donuts without any mess. Its cool touch exterior ensures safe handling during use, while the compact design makes it a practical addition to any kitchen countertop. Perfect for whipping up treats for breakfast, snacks, or desserts, this versatile donut maker is a great choice for families and gatherings. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the DSP All-in-One Mini Donut Maker guarantees fun and flavorful results every time. CucinaPro. Next on the list is the CucinaPro Mini Donut Maker, a charming and easy-to-use appliance that bakes 7 small donuts in just minutes. Designed with a non-stick surface, this donut maker ensures effortless release and easy cleanup, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers. Ideal for creating personalized treats, you can decorate, frost, or ice your donuts to match any occasion, whether it's a holiday celebration or a fun baking activity with kids. Its compact design makes it a practical addition to any kitchen, while its kid-friendly functionality ensures that baking becomes a family-friendly experience. If you're looking for a unique holiday gift or simply a fun way to whip up delicious baked desserts, the CucinaPro Mini Donut Maker is a perfect choice. Lifeeverkeep. Next on our list is the Lifeeverkeep Mini Donut Maker Machine, a fun and efficient appliance that lets you bake 16 mini donuts in one go. Perfect for family breakfasts, snacks, or desserts. This donut maker is designed to make baking both easy and enjoyable. The non-stick surface ensures effortless release of donuts and quick cleanup, while its compact and lightweight design makes it a convenient addition to any kitchen. With a kid-friendly operation, this donut maker is perfect for involving the whole family in creating delicious, bite-sized treats. Whether you're hosting a gathering, entertaining kids, or satisfying a sweet tooth, the Lifeeverkeep Mini Donut Maker Machine is a versatile and practical tool for any home baker. MultiMaker. Finally, we have the MultiMaker Treat Maker System, a versatile appliance perfect for creating a variety of baked delights. Whether it's mini donuts, heart-shaped waffles, or mini cupcakes, this multifunctional machine is designed to bring creativity and fun to your kitchen. The MultiMaker features interchangeable plates with a non-stick surface, ensuring that your treats come out effortlessly and cleanup is a breeze. Compact and easy to use, this system is ideal for bakers of all skill levels and fits seamlessly into small kitchen spaces. Its versatility makes it perfect for breakfast, snacks, or special occasions, allowing you to whip up something delicious in no time. If you're looking for an all-in-one treat maker, the MultiMaker Treat Maker System is a fantastic choice for adding variety and excitement to your baking routine. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting kitchen gadget reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.